Hey scrappers, there's lots of tools out there that help you make money, but we wanted to show you a tool that we use at our scrapyard that's really going to give you some ideas. So this is a really heavy table, 1/4-inch thick steel plates. What did we do? We put a grinder on it so when we're sampling material, we have a nice stable area. We have a vice grip on it that turns, so when we're taking things apart, another nice clean area. Also underneath, we have areas to be able to put material that we're working on, material that we're taking apart. These were wheels that we just took off of a different tool that we're fixing. Again, having carts like this is going to be a really great tool for your house. They roll, you put locks on the wheels so you can move them around if you're working outside, inside. The cart itself is heavy, and a heavy cart makes for a great workstation. So you can take things, put hooks on this, hang your tools around, put bins for sorting scrap. Just an idea to keep in mind so you can make more money and stay more organized.